Hey everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hey everyone, this is Jason from Mediatek. Hey guys, I hope you all are good and doing great. So finally guys, the wait is over. Finally, the Redmi launches a new mobile phone in the market. It's called Redmi Note 9. Yes guys, this phone was launched recently and also it was going to be available in the Amazon on this month at 24th and afternoon 12 p.m. onwards. This time I like the prices for the phone and also I like the specifications. I think this is the best value for money what we're investing on the right time. So anyhow, let's get into the video and let's check out briefly about the details. If you're talking about the display, it comes with 6.53 inches. Guys, keep in mind it's the IPS LCD screen and also they was giving here full HD plus. That's the good thing. If you look at the resolution, it comes with 1080 into 2340 resolution at 450 nits brightness. So which means I was very sure the display was 6.5 inches IPS LCD screen along with a 450 nits brightness and along with the resolution full HD plus. So this was awesome deal pack and this display was very good in the outdoor visibility under the direct sunlight also. Whereas the display comes here, it's not the full view display, it comes with a punch hole display. Whereas guys, if you look at the build quality, whereas the front side as we discussed comes with 6.5 inches IPS LCD, but keep in mind it was protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, so which means it was survival in the day-to-day scratches and it was good. If you wish, you can apply the external screen guard protection also, but out of the box I'm very sure the company only will give the mobile phone with pre-applied screen guard. Whereas at the back side it comes with a plastic body, but at the back side there was a quad camera setup and also at the top side there was air blaster along with a secondary noise cancellation. And whereas at the downside, bottom side of the mobile phone, we can expect there should be speakers drills along with the mic along with the Type-C port, and also this phone comes with 3.5 audio jack port. Whereas at the right side there was a volume rockers along with the power button, but where on the left side there was a SIM tray slot. And also guys, here I want to let you know whereas this it comes with a triple SIM slot, which means you can able to use 2 SIM cards and external micro SD card where it can support up to 512 GB. If you're talking about the processor and the platform of this mobile phone Redmi Note 9, whereas guys out of the box it comes with Android 10 and usually it's a Redmi phone, so that's why it comes with the MIUI 11 version and also it comes with the Mediatek Helio G85 processor. This processor was good and this processor was recently released in the market, and whereas guys this processor was awesome. When compared to Mediatek Helio G70, G80, this processor performs far better than, but whereas when compared to Mediatek Helio G90 processor, it should be little bit low in performance, but whereas its performance is in between Mediatek Helio G80 and Mediatek Helio G90, so it comes with G85, so we can expect there should be a good in terms of processor handling, and also it's a kind of gaming processor, so you can play the games and PUBG also in the smooth way. Whereas guys this processor comes with octa-core processor, whereas the 2 cores was powerful cores ARM Cortex A75 at a clock speed of 2.0 GHz, and the remaining 6 cores comes with ARM Cortex A55 at a clock speed of 2.0 GHz. So 6 cores was of power efficiency and whereas 2 cores was high powerful cores. So usually these 2 powerful cores was useful when you're doing any kind of photo editing or even if you're playing any games like the PUBG, Call of Duty. In extreme levels these high powerful cores was useful, but whereas for normal tasks like WhatsApp, making phone calls or normal browsing in the Facebook, Twitter, for this stuff 6 cores is enough. And also guys, the company giving here Mali G52 GPU. Whereas guys this Redmi Note 10, one of the highlight is because of the camera department. As I told, it's at the back side comes with 48 megapixel is the primary sensor, but whatever it may be, it comes with quad camera setup. The primary sensor 48 megapixel is mostly from Samsung W1 sensor, but whereas the remaining 3 sensors, the secondary camera is 8 megapixel for ultra wide and 2 megapixel for depth sensor and again 2 megapixel for macro shot. Whereas under the camera at the back side only there was a fingerprint reader was also available. We can shoot the full HD 1080 at the rate 30 frames per second with the rear side camera department. And also guys at the front side comes comes with 13 megapixel selfie shooter, and its aperture is f2.3, and we can also able to shoot the video HDR and also 1080 at the rate 30 frames per second. Whereas if you're talking about the connectivity department, as I told, it comes with a triple slot. I mean, we can use the SIM 1, SIM 2 along with the SD card. But whereas guys, the SIM 1 and SIM 2 supports the HD calling, and also it can support the Wi-Fi calling feature, and also they was giving here Wi-Fi dual band, which means you can able to connect your mobile phone to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi as well as 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, along with Wi-Fi hotspot was available, Wi-Fi direct was available, which means with the help of Wi-Fi direct you can able to sync your mobile phone to your smart TV. In Wi-Fi hotspot was also available. Whereas if you look at the Bluetooth, it comes with 5.0 Bluetooth version, and also it comes with GPS. And whereas the FM, the company did not mention whether it comes with FM or not, but and also it comes with USB Type-C port. If you look at the battery department, it comes with 5020 mAh, and inside the box the company providing as 22.5 watts fast charging. But keep in mind the mobile phone can only support up to 18 watts, but whereas in the box the company providing as 22.5 watts charger. And also I like this feature, this mobile phone can also use it as the reverse connector. I mean, it can support up to 9 watts reverse charging if you can charge any device. Whereas guys, this mobile phone comes with 3 colors. If you're looking about the colors, it comes with forest green, midnight gray, polar white. But I like the color polar white especially, so I was planning to purchase this mobile phone, and I want to do the unboxing and complete review about this mobile phone in our channel. But anyhow, let's see whether I can able to get the first sale or not in the Amazon on this month 24th. Whereas guys, if you're looking at the SAR values of this Redmi Note 9, whereas the head SAR value, it comes with 0.84 weight for kg, and for body 0.90 weight for kg. And also it was available in 3 variants, I mean the RAM and storage department. Whereas the base variant is comes with 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage. Its price is around 11,999 rupees. And again 4GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, it comes with 13,499 rupees. Whereas the last model 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage comes with 14,999 rupees. So guys, that's it, the overall about this Redmi Note 9. We know that nowadays the company is releasing the mobile phones with aggressive prices, so in that list this Redmi Note 9 was going to add very soon. So I like the combination because it comes with 6.5 inches IPS LCD, Full HD plus display, and of course fast charging. It can support 18 watts only. But anyhow, it comes with the latest processor from the Mediatek Helio G85. It's kind of a gaming processor, we can call it like that also. And also it comes with reasonable prices, and I was interested to purchase this mobile phone very soon. So anyhow, let's wait and see my complete review. And also guys, I just want to let you know that next month is the August Independence 15 is coming very soon. So if you want to save money, yes, you can save the money and you can purchase the mobile phones in the next month. On the maybe we can, yes, damn sure we can expect the great Indian sale in the Amazon. So at that time you can buy any gadget. So maybe you can get a little bit of profit, like around 1,000 rupees to 1,500 rupees according to the discounts at that time. So finally guys, I like this mobile phone. This is the specifications and the prices. It looks for good pack. So anyhow, that's it in this video guys. If you have any kind of specific questions, please let me know in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. Thank you so much for your love, support and commitment. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Thank you, take care.